Y'all just get to watch me do it. I'm sorry, y'all. It kind of looks a little dirty because I just went through it. But my mom sent me all this amazing stuff. Some stance socks. Oh my God. Thanks, Mom, if you're watching this video. Just wanted to say thank you. Love the care package. Love the care package. See, I need to decorate my wall more, but these lights look so good when it hits these socks. These, y'all just not ready for it. Even got me some Nintendo socks. I am sick. For this recipe, you're gonna need peanut butter. It doesn't matter if you want it creamy or crunchy. I always use creamy. Oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats for this recipe. You're gonna need salt, and I'll explain that later. You're gonna need ground flax seeds and chocolate. You're gonna start off with your dry ingredients, starting with 1 cup of oats. Next, I take my ground flax seeds and I put about 4 tablespoons, which is basically a 1/4 cup. I absolutely am a big fan of flax seeds, so you could add less if you would like. I just like mine with more. Next, I take half of my Trader Joe's bar and sprinkle it into the mixture. The baggie is pure cane sugar, guys. This is totally optional. I only added a few sprinkles just to give it more sweetener. Next, I put in a couple pinches of salt, and guys, this is just to put back in the salt that you lose when you work out. Next, I take about half a cup of peanut butter, guys, and this is what makes the protein balls come together, and you basically just spoon it in. And this is a little messy, guys, so prepare. And this is how it looks before I mix it. This is the messy part, guys. All you have to do is literally mix it up, but it's gonna take a minute depending on if you have the proper equipment. I don't, so this took me about a good 3 to 5 minutes, but guys, I think it came out pretty good. Next, all I have to do is spoon up the mixture, curl it into a ball, and just roll it to smooth it out. And this honestly takes a few seconds, y'all, and look. Wow. Next, I just continue to repeat this process until it finishes, and y'all, oh my God, it looks so good. For the double chocolate protein balls, you're gonna need old-fashioned oats, nut butter, coconut oil, salt, unsweetened Hershey's cocoa, ground flax seeds, a bar of chocolate, any type of chocolate you like, and sweetener is optional. So we're going to start again with the dry ingredients: a cup of dry oats. Then you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, doesn't matter if it's Hershey's or not, 4 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, a spoon of coconut oil, you can add more or less, doesn't matter, half a cup of nut butter, and guys, if you don't want to use peanut butter, you can use almond, cashew, doesn't matter. Again, I take a quick pinch of salt and a little bit of sweetener. See, I broke up about 5 chocolate bars and added it to the mixture. Repeat the same process as before. Of course, mix it up. And again, guys, it's going to get very messy. Be mindful of the cocoa powder because you don't want that to get in your eyes. This should only take about a couple minutes, guys. And from there, you'll have your double chocolate mixture. And of course, repeat the same process that we did in the beginning with the previous balls. And this is the end process. For the peanut butter glaze, guys, I use coconut oil and peanut butter. So I take about 1 to 2 spoons of peanut butter and add in a little bit of coconut oil. I actually added too much, so use less, because what happened is the peanut butter was actually too thin and the glaze was just way too thin. And you're gonna see it. If you like yours thin, then by all means do that. But if you look on my face, blue. So I actually like my glazes thick, y'all. So I remade the sauce and re-drizzled it, and it actually came out pretty dang good. And this is the finishing product, y'all. You can eat this now, but guys, I always put mine in the freezer. For the chocolate glaze, I'm using coconut oil and 1 to 2 bars of chocolate. Guys, I did heat this up because the bar was not melting, so I had to heat it up. And then from there, guys, you just begin to layer on to the protein balls. I'm not a big chocolate fan, guys, so I only use a little glaze. You can use more if you like, but this is how it looks in the end. Lastly, I'll just pop these energy balls into the freezer. Morning time, and y'all just get to watch me do it. Why am I this goofy? This is the double chocolate with the peanut butter drizzle. This is the peanut butter one. And this is exactly why I drizzled it inside of the bowl. Because I know people probably was like, why didn't you just use a new bowl? Nah, it's because like the bowl was already used for the same product that I'm putting back in. So it wouldn't make any sense for me to like, you know, use a new bowl for the same product. But yeah, the drizzle actually came out bomb. And these are 2 new ways you can make your thing. But let's have a taste test. Can y'all see it? This is the peanut butter one I'm gonna try. It's like it's savory. And it's got like a little sweetness, and it got a little like sweetness and saltiness. So this is really good. Wow. It's better than the last one I made. This is the double chocolate. And if it looks weird, it's because remember I did put a peanut butter glaze on top of it. And this is totally optional. If y'all are allergic to peanut butter, use almond butter, cashew butter. There are just so many nut butters out there that if you can't use peanut butter. I only use peanut butter solely because I didn't have another nut butter, so that was the only nut butter that was available to me. It's a little dark, but this is how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know which one's gonna be better because I'm not even a chocolate fan, but the fact that this double chocolate is like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so good. Like it's like eating a truffle. It's like eating a truffle that's like a protein bar. It's like a protein bar and a truffle mixed together. Like I am in awe right now, y'all. There's no reason it should be this good. Wow. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube, y'all. Go ahead and leave a like down below. Comment if you have any questions, concerns, or if you tried it and you like it or you don't like it, let me know. Let's get that feedback going. And y'all, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribing, what are you really doing? All right, y'all. Finna go to class, so I gotta bounce. Peace.